Today we're diving into the delightful world of making flaxseed crackers, a simple yet nutritious snack that you can easily prepare at home. The concept revolves around transforming flax seeds into crispy, crunchy crackers that not only satisfy your cravings but also pack a punch in terms of health benefits. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and essential nutrients, making these crackers a wholesome choice for any diet. The recipe is incredibly straightforward, requiring just a few ingredients and minimal preparation time, which means you can whip up a batch in no time. What sets these crackers apart is their unique texture, crisp on the outside while maintaining a slight chewiness inside, and their nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with dips or can be enjoyed on their own. So, if you're looking for a healthy snack option that's both easy to make and delicious, flaxseed crackers are the perfect solution. Let's get started on this tasty journey. To create delicious flaxseed crackers, the primary ingredient you'll need is, of course, flax seeds. These tiny seeds come in two main varieties, golden and brown, both of which offer similar nutritional benefits. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a powerhouse ingredient for your health. In addition to flax seeds, you'll want to incorporate some seasonings to enhance the flavor of your crackers. A pinch of salt is essential for balancing the taste, while garlic powder and onion powder add a savory depth that elevates the overall flavor profile. These seasonings can be adjusted according to your personal preference, allowing for a customizable snack experience. One crucial aspect of this recipe is the ratio of flax seeds to water. You'll need equal parts of both. This balance is vital as it allows the flax seeds to absorb the water, creating a gel-like consistency that binds the ingredients together, ensuring your crackers turn out perfectly crispy and delicious. To prepare the flaxseed mixture for your crackers, start by combining equal parts of flax seeds and water in a mixing bowl. For instance, if you're using 1 cup of flax seeds, add 1 cup of water. Next, incorporate your chosen seasonings such as salt, garlic powder, and onion powder to enhance the flavor. Stir the mixture thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. Once mixed, let the mixture sit for a soaking period, which is crucial for achieving the right texture. During this time, the flax seeds will absorb the water and swell, creating a gel-like consistency that acts as a binding agent for your crackers. This soaking process typically takes about 30 minutes, but feel free to experiment with different soaking times based on your texture preference. A longer soak can yield a thicker mixture, resulting in a chewier cracker, while a shorter soak may produce a crispier texture. Don't hesitate to adjust the soaking time to find the perfect balance that suits your taste. Once your flaxseed mixture is ready, it's time to transform it into delicious crackers. Begin by preheating your oven to a low temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius, which helps to dehydrate the mixture rather than bake it quickly. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy removal. Carefully spread the flaxseed mixture onto the baking sheet, using a spatula to create an even layer. Aim for a thickness of about 1/8 inch to ensure uniform baking. To make breaking the crackers easier after baking, employ a scoring technique. Use a knife or pizza cutter to gently score the mixture into squares or rectangles before placing it in the oven. This will create natural lines for breaking once they're baked. Bake the crackers for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, checking periodically to ensure they don't overbrown. Once they're firm and crisp, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool completely before breaking along the scored lines. Enjoy your homemade flaxseed crackers. After baking your flaxseed crackers to perfection, it's essential to cool them properly to achieve the best texture. For optimal results, turn off the oven and leave the crackers inside for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. This gentle cooling process allows them to firm up even more, ensuring a satisfying crunch. Once cooled, carefully remove the crackers from the baking sheet and break them along the scored lines. When it comes to serving, these versatile crackers can be paired with a variety of delicious options. Consider serving them with creamy cheeses, hummus, or your favorite spreads for a delightful snack experience. They also work wonderfully as a base for toppings like avocado or smoked salmon, making them suitable for both casual snacking and elegant gatherings. The beauty of flaxseed crackers lies in their health benefits. They are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a nutritious choice for any time of day. Enjoy experimenting with different pairings to find your perfect combination. Flax seeds are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. These tiny seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits, and dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. Additionally, flax seeds are rich in lignans, antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and support overall health. By incorporating flaxseed crackers into your diet, you're not only enjoying a delicious snack, but also reaping the numerous health benefits these seeds offer. As we strive to make healthier choices, it's important to replace processed snacks with nutritious alternatives like these crackers. This recipe aligns perfectly with common health resolutions, such as reducing processed foods and increasing whole food intake. By making your own snacks, you can control the ingredients and avoid unnecessary additives. So, whether you're looking to enhance your diet or simply enjoy a tasty treat, flaxseed crackers are an excellent choice that supports your health goals while satisfying your cravings. In summary, making flaxseed crackers is a simple and rewarding process that offers numerous health benefits. With just a few ingredients, including flax seeds, water, and your favorite seasonings, you can create a nutritious snack that is both delicious and satisfying. These crackers are not only easy to prepare but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a fantastic alternative to processed snacks. We encourage you to try this recipe and experience the delightful crunch and flavor for yourself. Once you've made your own batch, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Feel free to share your thoughts and any variations you tried in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more healthy recipes and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support helps us create more engaging content for you. Explore our channel for additional recipes and ideas that can help you on your journey to healthier eating. Happy snacking!